Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point by Kasturi Pradeep Kumar. So this is my channel name guys. So in this today we are going to discuss chapter 8 of class 10th similar triangles continuation. So in the previous video we deal with page number 204, do this first sum, right? So in this video we are going to deal with question 2 guys. So what is given? In a triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and given dimensions are AD equal to x, DB equal to x minus 2, AE equal to x plus 2, EC equal to x minus 1. They are asking to find the value of x. Okay, this is a given triangle and given that DE is parallel to BC. Okay, and so follow my steps guys. Presentation and neatness should be there. That will be added advantage. But steps are very important in the mathematics. Okay, so don't blindly depends on the answer guys. Okay, first write down what is given in the question. From the given triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC, that is given in the question, and given dimensions are AD equal to x, DB equal to x minus 2, AE equal to x plus 2, EC equal to x minus 1. And to find x, see guys, till this step for every sum it will be given in the question and they are asked to find something, right? So this is steps guys. First write down what is given in the question, what to find. This is the first step. Then the next step, write down formula related to this related sum or any property related to that sum, and in the next step you go for the simplification part. These are the steps. So if you follow like this, you don't lose marks guys. You will get minimum marks. If at all your sum is wrong also, you will get minimum marks. Okay, coming to the sum, they are asking to find the value of x here. So here D is parallel to BC guys. So as per the BPT, we know that if a line is parallel to one side, then it divides the other two sides. If a line is parallel to other side, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio guys. So here DB by AD is equal to EC or CE equal to EA. Okay, that only the statement of BPT guys. So mention all the values here and simplify. We get x square minus x equal to x square minus 4 guys. Cancel the like terms. We get minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Sending like terms to other side or cancel the like terms, we get x equal to 4 guys. So I hope you understand this sum. So these type of sums are very important. Please practice daily. So whenever my video is uploaded, so please practice those sums. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates guys. Thank you.